That journey where you want to achieve.
At the annual Nigeria Economic Outlook 2026 event, hosted by the First Bank of Nigeria, policymakers, investors, and business leaders examined how Nigeria's macroeconomic recovery is reshaping banking sector growth, credit expansion, and capital flows amidst easing inflation.
With the improving macroeconomic environment and the inflation, rates will be down. And with lower interest rates, lending will increase.
As FX reforms improve and monetary policies ease a hawkish stance, emphases are now being placed on corporate governance and compliance with stricter tax rules under a fiscal framework. The plan is to reshape investor sentiment, influence capital and trade flows, while also promoting cross-border payments across West Africa.
There's huge penalty for missing the rates, under deducting or not permitting for withholding tax. So government can basically do nothing and just get additional 40% penalty from you by wrong deduction and payment of withholding tax. So if I were to advise people, it is to automate those processes that these new laws bring huge penalties on or impose huge penalties on.
The reforms that this administration embarked upon about 2 years ago have fundamentally changed the investment thesis for Nigeria. First of all, you look at the fiscal reforms. It's basically sorted out the government's fiscal space with the elimination of subsidies and all that. But more importantly, the monetary policy and foreign exchange policy reforms have had a profound impact on the markets. So when you look at Nigeria as an investment destination, it's clearly a lot more attractive both for domestic investors as well as foreign.
This novel plan is not without its challenges, with liquidity, management, regulations, and capital still stifling opportunities, while economists say proper coordination, strategy, and right policy decisions are the only solution to addressing them.
2026 is an election year, so we're all expecting there will be election crisis. There will be none. The economy is racing. And after the election, you will see accelerated growth far higher than we've ever seen in this country. I'm so positive about it.
With global capital becoming more selective and growth increasingly uneven across regions, industry experts hope the Nigerian government will sustain its reforms to ensure a stable and positive outlook for 2026. In Lagos for News Central, Juliet Rowland.